Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. If you're a proud owner of an Ecovacs Deebot X1 or T10 turbo vacuum cleaner robot, then you know the importance of keeping it in top-notch condition. That's why I'm excited to introduce to you today the must-have accessory for your Ecovacs, the Ecovacs Deebot X1 OMNI T10 Turbo Vacuum Cleaner Robot Filter Side Brush Cleaning Cloth Spare Parts Dust Box. This incredible set of accessories is specifically designed for the Ecovacs X1 T10 series, meaning it's perfectly compatible with your beloved robot vacuum. Whether you need a replacement filter, side brush, cleaning cloth, or dust box, this set has got you covered. You'll never have to worry about the performance of your Ecovacs being compromised with these high-quality spare parts. And the best part? Ordering is a breeze. Just head over to the link in the description to get your hands on this essential set of accessories. Plus, we offer convenient online payment options and fast delivery, so you can rest assured that you'll have your accessories in no time. Remember, keeping your Ecovacs Deebot X1 or T10 Turbo in prime condition is key to ensuring a clean and healthy home environment. Don't let worn-out parts hold you back. Invest in the Ecovacs Deebot X1 OMNI T10 Turbo Vacuum Cleaner Robot Filter Side Brush Cleaning Cloth Spare Parts Dust Box today and experience the difference for yourself. Happy cleaning, and be sure to hit that subscribe button for more awesome product reviews and tips. Thanks for watching.